Ladies and gentlemen, it is bath time for the kitties. And just to torment Jen with this later, I'd like to videotape it. Now here we have a fresh, newly drawn bath of Arthur Brown water. If it's drowned, break it down. If it's black, send it back. Now I'll just go and get contestant number one. This one should be interesting. This is Willow. I haven't trimmed her claws either. You ready, Willow? I'm not. Whee! Alright, buddy. Come on, smelly cat. Yep, here we go. You're okay, bud. You're okay. A little touch of cheap shampoo. Doesn't smell too much. Cheap as in not fancy, not cheap as in harmful. And then we bath the kitty. Who's so happy? Who's a happy kitty? Who's a happy kitty? Who likes getting bathed? No. Come on, baby, come on. Work with me here. Make it go quicker, alright? Kitty claws. Alright. Quick rinse. And there you go. Well, a little more. You don't have to do your head because I want to live today. There we go. Okay, maybe I'll get your just a little bit. Just a little bit. Hold your breath, bud. There we go. Yeah. And this is one wet kitty. Say hi, Willow. Say hi. Not in the mood to talk. Okay. I should get this water. Anyways, I should wrap this little guy up. Oh, he's so cute. Look how cute. Look how cute. Oh, he's so cute. Anyways, now for your sister. Oh, you're so cute. You get treats. Alright. Here's cutie number 2. Ready for her bath this year. First bath this year. Hopefully the last one too. Oh, it's not deep. There you go. No! Oh, come on. You love baths. Don't fight it. Don't fight it. The water's very shallow. Don't worry. Ah. She was like, I was just sleeping and I was so comfortable. These are smelly cats. At least their paws were. It's probably because the litter hasn't been changed. Whose fault is that? Yeah. Okay, we'll just be quick with this shit. There we go. I like this cat. Not like I like the other one. I mean, that other one pukes on everything. Yeah. You know it, Jen. Let's get those paws. Get those claws. It's all rinsed off. Not yet, but soon. Try to get the soap off here, buddy. Ah. Okay, one more time, but just one more time. Head up. There you go. Okay, oh, you are 100 pounds in your wet cat. Ah. And this is the wet Chet. Say hi, Chet. On into it. Okay, here we go. Let's get you all toweled up. Floor's getting kind of wet. How's that happening? Oh. This is a heavy cat, and it's a cute cat. Say bye, Chet. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.